Give me 2 minutes only. Within 2 minutes, I will show you how to prepare special pav bhaji of my shop.
What exactly is pav bhaji?
It is a street food. Everybody likes it. It's mouth watering. It contains all vegetables. You must be shocked at home. Pav bhaji is served from stall to the big restaurants, and 5-star also there are. Somewhere around 500 people walk in every day. What makes it special?
For one thing, it's made on a 220-pound plate called a tawa that takes 3 people to lift. Another thing that makes it special is the man making it. Songkat holds a master's degree in commerce and worked as a law advocate for 14 years before deciding to make street food.
I was a white collar job. Right now I am a blue collar job, but it is really very good and fantastic. I converted my hobby into passion and passion into profession. So this is my profession now.
So how do you make pav bhaji?
Make it with love.
Well, how exactly do you do that?
I can't explain it, I will show you live. When you will have it, then only you will come to know. I can't explain in these words. Process of making pav bhaji is very lengthy. We have to start a night before. In the morning, we go for shopping in the market for the vegetables. When vegetables are fresh, the tastes are really awesome. Key ingredients of pav bhaji: potatoes, boiled potatoes, tomato, bell pepper, garlic, pav especially, then butter, oil, masala, salt, spices, garlic paste, red chili paste, and some of the masalas are there. That is especially pav bhaji masala is there in that. Dry green peas is also there, which is soaked last night. So this much of quantity is required for 500 people. Then early afternoon my team comes. Initially we start boiling with potatoes. Then cutting and chopping is done. So at least for 20 kgs of tomatoes we take an hour, along with onion, coriander, lemon, bell pepper. Then red chili paste is made. I seriously tell you, taste is very good. Then garlic paste is made.
After all the ingredients are prepared, they're mixed all together in a big hot pot over a simmering flame. First in is the green bell pepper. Add some masala, tomatoes, and mix. In go the green peas, then the boiled potatoes. The vegetables are mixed thoroughly and then transferred to stainless steel bowls. The prep work is now done, and we're going to see how they set up the stall. They use these burners called batti to cook on, which they put these massive pans on called tawa that are so heavy they take 3 people to lift.
Now this is bhatti in Hindi, and it's cool. Now why we are making pav bhaji on bhatti? Because tawa jo hai wo mota hai, and the weight of that tawa, it's 90 to 100 kg. We are making 80 to 90 plates of pav bhaji at the same time. Yes, at the same time. So that tawa has to be hot. So for that we use coal. The taste of making on that coal is different from that gas. So same kind of taste is given on that tawa. Grandpa and grandma ne diya hua hai. So we start burning this. It takes 15 minutes. Then we start preparation of pav bhaji. Now the final stage comes of mashing of vegetable. This is the material. It will be smashed. As tawa is too hot, I will add some water to make it. Now I am mashing vegetables. It will take somewhere around 15 to 20 minutes to mash all these vegetables. It will all come together. It will mix it properly. Why the street food is so important in India? First, we don't have time, and everybody is fast. It's hurry. Across India, across globally, people are running through in and out. So everyone is busy. Now one of the person from your team asked me, sir, भैया आप इतना अच्छा English कैसे बोल लेते हो? So let me tell you that I am an advocate. I have completed my graduation, post-graduation, MCom from Mumbai University. I wanted to be something else, but this is my passion of cooking, and I chose pav bhaji as I said you. So I am making it. So let me tell you one thing. Many people are saying that ये बोलते हैं कि हमें वही करना है जो हमें अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन नहीं कर पाते हैं. तो मैं उनको एक एग्जांपल देना चाहूँगा कि हम हमारे पैशन को फॉलो करें. लोग बोलते हैं कि पैशन को फॉलो करो, पैशन को फॉलो करो. ये बात मैं भी जानता था, लेकिन फैमिली का सपोर्ट नहीं है. हमने काफ़ी फिल्मों में देखा है. रियलिस्टिक लाइफ में बोलूँ कि मुझे भी फैमिली में सपोर्ट नहीं किया था इनिशियली. आई वॉज अ वाइट कॉलर जॉब. राइट नाउ आई एम अ ब्लू कॉलर जॉब. But it is really very good and fantastic because cooking was my hobby. I converted my hobby into passion and passion into profession. So this is my profession now. Now I will tell you about the preparation. I am adding, this is the garlic paste, this is the red chili paste, It will be according to the taste, how much you have to add it. It is medium spicy. This is the pav bhaji masala. Pav bhaji masala. Now this is salt. And sabka favorite, this is the butter. Amul butter. Utterly butterly. Utterly butterly. जो सबको अच्छा लगता है. भैया पाव भाजी में बटर ज़्यादा डालो. हाँ, ये बटर तो ज़्यादा ही डाल रहा हूँ. There are varieties of butter coming in the city, but we prefer especially Amul butter. The reason is that the aroma which comes with the Amul butter, it is very fantastic and mouth-watering. Somewhere around 40 to 50 grams of butter is required in one plate of pav bhaji. When the pav bhaji is made in oil, we have done the experiment on it also, is different. So when you will have it, then only you will come to know. I can't explain in these words that कि pav bhaji in oil वाला अच्छा है कि butter वाला अच्छा है. So you taste it, you will come to know. Now this is coriander. ये coriander. Now I will mash it once again because all vegetables will get mixed in it. I will add some water. Now it is mashed so thick and fine that you can't find vegetables in it. This is the regular pav bhaji. Now I am removing this from my tawa in the hot pot. ये regular bhaji ready हो चुकी है. Now this is the regular pav bhaji in which onion was not there. Onion was not there. Now I will make it special. Yes, onion was not there. You must be shocked at home. मुझे पता है मेरी मम्मी भी onion डालती थी. मुझे भी बाद में पता चला जब बड़े mass level पे बनाने आया तब. So this is the chopped onion. This is butter which I will fry it properly. Now this is a wooden plank. If you see it is a bit heighted. We get comfortable to chop over here. Everywhere you will see this wooden plank like this. और हमने इसको कम से कम 2 साल से वापर रहे. And it is made of wood only. I am adding garlic paste in it. Chili paste is added in it. We will keep it frying for more couple of minutes. Pav bhaji masala once again. So pinch of salt was added in it. So now we are adding already the regular bhaji in it. Now it has become special. I will add some coriander. It's changing its color. All butter is coming up after mixing. Why street food is special? I will tell you now. It's the live kitchen where people see to it. The mouth starts watering. So you can see Pani Puri is getting served over there. A person was passing by. He asked me pav bhaji ready hai kya because of the aroma which we prepared it earlier. And he is having pav bhaji inside also. My special bhaji is also ready. Now these are pavs or buns you can say. Today we have brought 90 only because as the festival is there of Hartalika. So there is a fast of many women's. They do this fast for their husband to serve Lord Shiva. So today the quantity is very less. Now I am making pav, cutting the pieces. It has 8 pieces, one pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pairs. It's 4 pair of pav, 8 single pieces. I have cut it. Now I will add butter. This is red chili powder, pinch of salt. Process of making pav. This is the process of making pav. Yes, I am frying it. So the pavs are ready. Many people have a habit in India to eat rice in the last of the meal. ऐसा लगता है कि पेट नहीं भरा. So at least this much. A couple of bites of rice also make their tummy full. So after pav bhaji, people ask for rice or pulao. So we prefer tawa pulao. As it is made on tawa, it is called tawa pulao. Now he will be chopping boiled potatoes and we will add green peas also. Butter also. See now he is adding butter. He is adding chili paste in it. It's medium spicy as per the order. This is the garlic paste, red chili powder for the taste of spiciness. So all vegetables are getting fried and getting properly soaked in butter and everything. It is properly getting fried. Now this is rice which we soaked already for half an hour. Then we boiled it. Now we will add rice in it. It is basmati rice. Now this is pav bhaji masala which he added. It will give some aroma. Now this is garam masala as well as pulao masala. Ingredients of all garam masala like dalchini, star fool, dagad fool. It is of salt as per the taste. Coriander leaves. Now let me tell you one more thing. He likes to add more butter in it, so he will again add butter in it. I know his habit of adding butter. He likes to have butter. See his tummy also. See, इसका पेट देखो ज़्यादा फुला है because he eats lot of butter, and he makes everybody eats butter. You know. Now everything is mixed properly. Swiggy, Zomato. Parcel. Now you can see people have started walking it, so we have to be too fast now. कैसे हो? कब आए? So simultaneously I am doing two things at a time. I am greeting one of my regular customer. So she is having pani puri over there. So she came all the way from Indore to here. So now as it is getting evening, people are getting rushed.
कैसी शर्म अब जरा जा मुझलका दिल लगा है तो कैसा है गम
Special tip what I can give you is
To subscribe.
that is the perfect tip which I can give it to you.